Hello everyone to another video about XAF Blazor. Today we're gonna do two quick features that I believe they are really handy. So let's get on it. The first one is how to implement a logo hyperlink. So that means that when we are here in our Blazor application, we click the main demo, it takes you to any page of our choosing. So that's really simple to do, as you will see. And the second one, it will be how to create a rounded image for like your uploads. For example, if you see here, the user profile is rounded, but right here, when we are uploading a picture, is square. So how can we achieve the same results in our file data implementation or by array on our image property? So let's get on it. Let's start with the hyperlink. So basically, if you see, there is a simple JavaScript function that gets the header logo selector. And if we come here and we inspect, let's click inspect, clear here the logo, we clearly will see, and let's change this to responsive, and if we click inspect here, we clearly can see the header logo class right here. So we're gonna copy that function, we're gonna put it in our project. Let's go to it. Let's open our host page, and let's add it here at the end of our head. Of course, we can add it to an extra JavaScript file and just add the reference here, but this is just a simple example, so we can do it really quick. So right here, we can do, let's actually open the model, and let's go to navigations, and let's see what we have in there, and let's select role. So we're gonna select this, and we're gonna say that we want to navigate to the role page when the logo is clicked. So the only thing that we're missing here, let's come back to the ticket, is in the app.razor, we're gonna add this. So in the on after render add invoke that JavaScript function. So let's go to our application, and if you see right here, what it's doing is finding the selector header logo and adding an event listener that it will be the click function, and when that happens, it will send you to this direction. So let's go to the app razor. Basically, just paste this here. That if you see, it's calling that add URL function, add URL, and that's basically it. So let's run it and let's see it in action. It's coming. So let's get in here. So now we are in this test application. That is, we click on this XAF framework logo, it will take you to the permission policy role list view. So really neat, right? And that could be also redirected to another external page, any other part of your application. So I think that is a simple and neat trick. Now, if we go to the user now, we have a profile picture for the user, right? This photo picture, again, this is a square. So let's fix that. If we go back to the ticket, there is a simple CSS that we need to add to our application. So if we copy here, and you can see here that it's making the border radius 50%. And we go to our application, and we don't even have to stop and run it again. We can just paste our CSS, save it, and refresh the page. We paste it here, and if you see it's doing the border radius 50%, we save our file, and we come back to our application. Now, if we refresh, voila, our picture is rounded now. And if we select another one, and let's select this one, should be really big. As you can see, it's still round in the picture. So that will be all for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.